We spend a lot of time looking down at our cell phones, putting so much strain on our necks. It's a wonder why and how we're able to continue on that way for so long. We don't realize this, but in time, when you put so much pressure and pain in the mastoid process area, all the way down to your SCM, your sternocleidomastoid muscles, in time, you'll start developing issues with tinnitus, eustachian tube dysfunction, and it just becomes a nightmare that you can't get out of. I have an easy stretch that should take no longer than 30 seconds at a time for you to do. And the beauty of it all, you can do it wherever you are at. So what you're going to do is take your hand, doesn't matter which side you start with, and you want to tilt your head down. Then you want to take the edge or the blade side of your hand, and as you're pulling your neck down, slightly down, you want to go ahead and use that edge of your hand and go all the way down, putting a little bit of pressure, not too much. You'll go and slide down the muscle column there. You go all the way down. So it'll look like this. As you're pulling down, you're sliding the edge side of your hand down. You want to keep doing that. There's a long muscle going all the way from the mastoid process all the way down, the SCM muscle all the way down into the trapezius muscle. These muscles favor each other. They rely on each other, and if they start getting tight, it's just going to creep all the way up, going to get into the sinus region. It's going to start affecting the ears. All of these compartments are all connected, all the muscles, tissues, ligaments, nerves. So you want to go ahead and pull down, take the edge side of your hand, create like a pathway, go all the way down. You can put a little bit of pressure, not too much, just enough. Go all the way down. Then what we're going to do, we're going to switch. We're going to go to the left side, take the same concept, the edge side of our hand, travel it all the way down from the behind the ear all the way down to the trapezius or the shoulder area there. Just go all the way down, travel it down. Do this for about 30 seconds each side. I would say at least twice a day. Try not to skip any days. Sometimes you do it for a day, you do it for that moment, and then you wait 3 or 4 days. You're going to unravel all that good work you put into those neck muscles. Remember, where you are right now in the process of where your neck is didn't just happen overnight. It took weeks, sometimes months, and even sometimes years. Put this process in place. I guarantee you'll start feeling much better in your day. Not only is it going to help mobility, being able to look left and right, it's going to help open up those sinuses. It's going to help open up those ears. It's going to relieve you of some of that buzzing, clicking, and ringing. It's going to help you in ways that you're not even going to imagine until you start doing it consistently. I hope this video was very helpful for you. If it was, please take time to subscribe to the channel. I try to bring content as often as possible. But in the meantime, I want to step out of the Jaye Wellness Studio and leave you in good hands with this video. Like anything else, folks, we're here to simply go back to the basics. Take care, everybody, and I will catch you in the next video.